my channel. So today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I do a low slick bun. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So first, I'm just brushing out my hair to get it like flat. And then I take a little stick thingy to part my hair. And now I'm just taking the gel and putting it on my hair. Then I take the brush and smooth it out to get it slick. Then I'm just tying it into a bun. If you want, you could do your edges, but I'm just doing it for the video, but I normally don't do it. And right here, I just moved everything to the side so I could do like a side bun. I didn't like how it looked, so I got a bobby pin and like pin part of the bun down. That was it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.